Now we will move to the next relationship that I said about AC, AVC and MC. So it is clearly written, see the three curves: average cost curve, the marginal cost curve and the average variable cost curve. Okay, so when the marginal cost is less than AC and AVC, means see when the marginal cost is below these two curves, then both average cost will also fall, AVC will also fall. When marginal cost is becoming equal to AVC and AC, means it is cutting AVC and AC, means it is intersecting these two curves, then they become constant. And MC curve cuts the AVC curve and the AC curve at its minimum point. You can see B is the AVC curve's minimum point and A is the AC curve's minimum point. I discussed it earlier only. Average variable cost reaches its minimum point faster than the average cost curve. Okay, so that is why B and A are the minimum point. Now when the marginal cost curve becomes equal to AC and AVC, then they become constant. Okay, and marginal cost is cutting AVC and AC curves at their minimum point, that is B and A. Now when MC is more than AC and AVC, both rise with increase in output. So when MC is more, see, when MC is starting to rise, both average cost is also rising, average variable cost is also rising. So MC marginal cost pulls down the cost when it is falling and it pulls up the cost when it is rising. Okay. Now what is the relationship between average cost and average variable cost? Average cost and average variable cost. Now we are dealing with only these two. So see, AC is greater than AVC by the amount of AFC. The vertical distance between AC and AVC curve continues to fall with increase in output because the gap between them is AFC, which continues to decline with the rise in output. So see first the gap. Initially the gap is this much. As the production increases, the gap is becoming narrower. Why this gap is becoming narrower? Because the gap measures the fixed cost. So as the output production is increasing, the gap is becoming narrower because the fixed cost is falling down as we are increasing the production. AC and AVC curves never intersect each other, as AFC can never be zero. This I have earlier discussed, that these two curves will never touch each other because AFC fixed cost can never be zero. Both AC and AVC curves are U-shaped. Marginal cost curve, this MC curve, cuts the AC and AVC curve at their minimum point. The minimum point of AC is A and minimum point of AVC is B. Okay, and A lies point A, minimum point of AC curve lies right to the minimum point of AVC curve. Okay, so now if I ask you why this gap is becoming narrow, because this gap shows fixed cost. As we are increasing production, the fixed cost is falling. So that is why the gap is becoming small. Now these two curves will never touch each other. Why? Because these two curves will never touch each other because because fixed cost cannot be zero. Okay. Now we will move to the last curve, last relationship. Okay. So that I will be discussing in the next video. That is the relationship between TC and MC and TVC and MC. Okay.